In the Vedic history, there are several Leelas performed revealing Lord's merciful nature. Pure devotional service is not dependent on any material condition, and it is so simple it can be easily missed. There are several incidents where souls in the most abominable social state have been transformed and liberated. There are hunters like Ratnakar who became Valmiki Muni, Mrigari who became a great saint. We are presenting one such incident in history which occurred 200 years ago. Somewhere in North India, which is documented in Goswami literature. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada used to narrate this story during his preaching mission. For the pleasure of Vaishnavas, this drama is a simple presentation to understand merciful nature of that Supreme Lord, Sri Krishna. Once upon a time, in a remote part of India, there was a desperate thief, Daku Bhagat. And not surprisingly, merciful Gopal.
Sardar! 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 Hey! What is it? Jaggu, Sardar. Jaggu! You spoiled my dream. Sardar! Sardar! Look, Sardar! Look what I've got for us, Sardar! This time, Sardar, I managed to pounce on a treasure, Sardar! See! Jaggu, I saw a dream. What a dream it was! Such massive wealth, jewels, pearls. I have to just grab it. No more stealing for the rest of our life. Sardar, that was just a dream. But this is real, Sardar. Just look at it. Jaggu, you call this treasure? This cheap jewels? You fool, I'm disgusted with you. But Sardar, we have been trying really hard. And people have become more careful now. We are surrounded by soldiers at all times, Sardar. You are a crook. This is what I trained you. I trained you to be a professional thief. You can't tackle this problem. You can't hoodwink those soldiers. Full disgust. Where is Lambu? Where is Lambu? I don't know, Sardar. Where is Lambu? I don't know, Sardar. Sardar! Hey! Get out of here! What happened? The soldiers! Soldiers, Sardar! Disgusted. They are heading towards us. Come on! Escape! Come, run!
लगा मन मेरे हो, हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे। सुमरन कर ले साँझ सवेरे, सुमरन कर ले साँझ सवेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे। राम कृष्ण हरि गोपाल कृष्ण हरि, 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 राम कृष्ण हरि गोपाल कृष्ण हरि। डगर डगर पर झूठे मेले भरमाती है झूठी माया, कौन साथ धन ले जाएगा, कौन साथ धन लेके आया। जग में सबके रैन बसेरे, जग में सबके रैन बसेरे, साथ किसी के कौन चले रे। हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे हो, हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे। राम कृष्ण हरि गोपाल कृष्ण हरि, 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 राम कृष्ण हरि गोपाल कृष्ण हरि।
बोलो नंद के लाला की जय, बिहारी लाल की जय, कृष्ण कन्हैया की जय, आज की आनंद की जय। भक्तगणों, Lord Krishna, as a baby child, performed wonderful pastimes to attract conditioned souls. One day, he saw a fruit seller. So Gopal wanted to buy the fruits. He carried handful of grains in exchange for the fruits. His small hands could hardly hold any grains, and the fruit seller was so attracted to Gopal's beautiful form that she gave away all the fruits to him, and he ran away. The fruit seller was amazed to see a basket filled with jewels. In this way, devotees go on glorifying, glorifying, glorifying for the rest of eternity.
जल में थल में नील गगन में कण कण में है प्रभु की छाया, जिसने मन की आंखें खोली, जिसने मन की आंखें खोली, उसने उसका दर्शन पाया। जो नर हरि की माला फेरे, जो नर हरि माला फेरे, छूटे जन्म जन्म के फेरे, छूटे जन्म जन्म के फेरे। हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, ओ हरि का ध्यान लगा मन मेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, हो मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे। सुमरन कर ले सांझ सवेरे, सुमरन कर ले सांझ सवेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे, मिट जाएंगे सब दुख तेरे। राम कृष्ण हरि गोपाल कृष्ण हरि, 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 राम कृष्ण हरि गोपाल कृष्ण हरि।
Bhaktigano, this wonderful child, along with his elder brother, would daily wander in the pasture land. Mother Yashoda, early in the morning, before sunrise, would dress these beautiful children with silken garments and precious ornaments. These boys, along with their friends, would move along the various forests, performing wonderful, playful pastimes. So, we will end our katha over here today and continue tomorrow. Bolo Nand ke Lala ki Jai, Krishna Kanhaiya ki
जय, पंडित चौरासिया लाल की
Jai.
Sardar, this is not a safe place.
Sardar, let us go to the forest, Sardar. You fools. Didn't you hear about those two boys? Didn't you hear about those two boys? What a great opportunity! I think this is the end of my hunt. Listen, once I get this wealth, we can live in bliss for the rest of our life. Hey? And they're just two small kids. One whack across their face, they themselves will give all the jewels to me. Listen, you go to the forest. I'll join you there. I'll tackle this bandit. Come on, go.
Hey, Pandit. Yes?
Is it real?
What?
Jewels.
Jewels?
Those two boys.
Boys? What boys?
Those two boys wandering in the pasture land.
Hey! Who are you? And what do you want, huh?
I'm Daku Bhagat. I'm interested in that wealth.
What wealth?
Few minutes back you mentioned about those two boys decorated with ornaments. Boys? You mean those boys? Hey. I'm serious about it. But that's not possible. Everything is impossible. You speak the truth or I will. Okay. Okay, all right. Don't get angry. I will speak the truth. You want to know about those boys? Yes. Wait. Here it is. Beautiful curly hair, pearl white teeth, and that enchanting smile. The lotus-like eyes seem like they're constantly showering love and bliss. Oh, what a beautiful form. What a beautiful form. Skip it. I'm not interested in the beautiful form. Speak more about the jewels. Okay. Here it is. Krishna and Balram. They wear golden anklets at the lotus feet. The tinkling sound of those anklets can melt anyone's heart. Silver bracelets, diamond necklaces, and that Kaustuba jewel. There is no gem in this world that can match with those Kaustuba jewels.